Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, as said in the title, as you probably can tell, today I will be doing a tutorial on the downloading of mods. So, I will be doing the Fabric mods. This is directed at my fellow Origins members because they will be needing to download the Origins mods to join Origins in like 3 weeks. So this will help them download them. So, and this is aimed at anyone. So first off, to get right into it of course, I will show you how to access your mods folder. So this only applies to me on Windows. I go into the search bar here. Hopefully everyone has one. If you don't, you may have another way to open up it, but I go run. Mine automatically types in this, but you're going to want to put in percentage, which is shift 5 app data, or app data depending on how you say it, and then percentage, so another shift 5. OK, or enter. It will send you to this folder. I don't know what all these things, I think it might be your apps, but the first one should be Minecraft, and if it isn't, you either don't have Minecraft or it's somewhere else in this folder. It should be, at least. If it's not, I can't help you. Just check it on your thing. There'll probably be tutorials on this for other versions of computer. Your next thing is you don't want to go into Fabric. I don't know why I have that. You want to go into your mods. If you don't have one, all you have to do is right click, new, and then folder, and then you would rename the folder to mods. I already have that, so I don't need to. So I'll get rid of that, and I will go into my mods folder. As you can see, I already have all my mods that I use. So you have to download quite a bit to run Origins, but there's also extra mods which I will show at the end of downloading. It's pretty simple. I have downloaded them using the links I send in Discord to my other friends, but you can look them up. So if I go into Google, I type in Fabric. Fabric is the... oh crap. Okay, maybe Fabric mods or something. That'll work. No, that we'll just do Fabric mod. Hopefully. Here we go, yeah. So it sends you to this page, it should. You can either press this button here, download here, or this download button right at the top. I click this, it should send me to this, yes. So because I'm Windows, I press the download for Windows button. Remember, I already have these, so this won't exactly work for me well, but I click open, and it will open up this. So this bit I don't think matters, and I think depending on what version you're trying to play on, for my Origins members, I want you to click on 1.19 because that will be the version we're playing on. Then you click install. It should automatically put this in here. If it doesn't, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe just put it in yourself. If you want to play on a different version, the earliest it goes to is 1.14, which is quite a good version to play on anyways. But click on 1.19 if you're part of my Origins people, and press install. It will show you this. has the API thing that I will show you in a second. I already have Fabric, so I hope that didn't do anything. I'll check that now. Okay, well, I don't think it did anything, but let's get on to the next thing. So, the next thing is the Fabric API. You need this to run any Minecraft Fabric mod of any type. So, again, it would depend on what version you are using. Everything has to be the same version. Well, almost everything. So if you go into Files, because this up here says 1.19.2, this one here I don't think will work. So you scroll down. Yeah, this one here is the one I will go for because it has to be R to work with Fabric. The B and the blue B, that won't work. That's just, I think that's Forge, and you don't want Forge, you want Fabric. It may say Fabric here, but I don't think it works. So for my people, you want to go, my Origins members, you want to press this download button, and it will automatically download it for you. Anyone else that's wanting to download these mods, just go for whatever you're using, 1.19.2 if that's the most recent, that's what you want to use. And also, these automatically work in single player. If you have Fabric working, then it will automatically work. You just choose what you have, and if you have commands allowed, then you should be able to change the mod you will be using, like change what class or origin you want to use at that time. You can always take out the mods out of your mods folder as well if you don't want to use those at that time. So that's all good. But yeah, so you would download that on the side. It will send you to this, and it should automatically download. But if it doesn't, it says this, but I think, yeah, it automatically downloads down here. So then you would open it. Wait, no, don't open it. I don't think that does anything. You want to try and open up another file explorer. Ignore the stuff. So this is the Fabric installer that I just had before. API, that here. So you want to open up your other mod. You want to open up your mods folder again and have them together like this, and you would move this over to here like this. Oh, well, I already have one of the exact same thing, so I'm not going to do that. But in your case, you wouldn't have this already, so I already have it, so I don't have to worry about it. But you guys, you just drag it over. Now the rest of it's really easy, depending on what version you want to play on. So, Origins mods. Yeah. So this one is the original one. So it has all these here. Tell you. So it's got the main 9, which for our Origins series, we'll be using all 9 of these, plus 2 more Origins mods, plus a Origins classes mod, which I will show you in a moment as well. This here, the download, it will automatically show 1.19. If you are wanting a different version, go again into this files here. And, okay, so the most recent you can play on is 1.19. So I would suggest, if you want to play on this version, just choose 1.19. If you want to play on you don't care about this mod, and you want to play with the other ones instead, you can download any version. But this is the latest, is 1.19 currently when I upload this, so if you're wanting to play with this mod, just use 1.19. It's just the same process, just using 1.19. Now, you'd press this download button, and then it will download it in a moment. Okay, this automatically has gone to my downloads file right here. So again, I would move it over to here. Again, though, I have it right here, so I don't have to worry about this. All these are useless to me right now. Next, Origins. Oh, I don't know the link, but I think I can probably get it off. Oh no, I'll just look it up. Origins mods again. And I don't know all the Origins mods. I will have to check. Okay, you would put in extra Origins mods, and that will take you to this one. This only has 4 options, but they are very, very cool options. Of the Origins people that are joining the server, 3 people have chosen 3 of these. I'm not going to tell you who has chosen them, and I actually won't tell you what they've chosen, but one of these has not been chosen by a member of the Origins. So I'm not going to go into detail of what each Origin is in this video. If you guys want me to do that, I don't mind doing it. I'm happy to do that. So just check that down in the comments if you want me to do an explanation on that. But there are videos that explain the mods. That's how I decided thoroughly on what I wanted to be in the Origins. Anyways, this is 1.19.2. If you want to play with just this one, and you want to use 1.19.2, go nuts. All you have to do is press this download button. If you want to play with any other edition, you're going to have to go into files again. See, this extra Origins right here, this is 1.19-2. So if you want to play with 1.19, you just press this download. Anything earlier, you got these again. So in my guys' case, you want to press this download button. It will download it. Ignore this because it automatically takes you to that. It will give you the one that you chose. Next, again, same thing. Move the extra Origins into here. This is a repeat, but I'm just showing you which mods you may want to use. Next one you search is Mobs Origins. Or you probably want to spell Origins correctly, but if you don't, hopefully Google will autocorrect you. These ones have an interesting range. I think almost all of these have been chosen for our one. I know 3 of them haven't. 4. These ones. I know Slime, Wolf, Guardian, Evoker, Fox, and Drowned have all been chosen. It's interesting. This one is another 1.19 one. Just press download for my guys. Files for anyone else that wants to play a different version. This is just basically repeating the same thing. I'm just telling you what you want to search up. This is really simple stuff. If you can get onto your mods folder and you can download this stuff to your own computer, if you look up the correct stuff and you know the edition you want, it's a really simple process. Yeah, so that's done again. Moving the Mob Origins folder into the mods folder. Now the last one is Origins Classes. That's the one I was telling you guys about before. Origins Classes is a little bit different. So the other Origin stuff, that's more mob based. Like this one is literally mobs. This is extra Origins. It's kind of based on a mob of some type. This one has no mob base whatsoever. This has a list, no icon or anything. So this is basically a class you're given, which we're also using. So there's Archer, Beastmaster, Blacksmith, all this stuff. You can read through it, pause the video if you want, go ahead, read through it. Yeah. So this one is a little bit different. You have like special abilities. I'll explain in another video, or you can read it yourself if you'd like. You choose. But anyways, again, files. If you are wanting the 1.19, just go into files. This is the first one right here. Otherwise, all the earlier editions, and this one's 1.19.1. So this one does not have a 1.19.2 option, just a .1. So yeah, that, and then you would download that one. No, I pressed the wrong button. Well, you get the point. I wasn't planning on downloading any of these anyways. So that's the main ones. I'm going to remove all these from my folder because I don't need these. I already have every single one of these. So I'm going to delete that. Now the next thing, I'm going to get rid of all these because I hate these being open. I'm going to leave this one open though. So the next one, if you would like these are extra things you may want because they are very cool to have. You can just go off the video now, and if you got all the origins you want, that's cool. But I will also be showing you how to download Optifine using Fabric, because you have to download a whole separate Optifine for that. So if you want to search up 1.19 after looking up Optifine. So the original download for Optifine, you want to go into downloads. No, show all versions, my bad. Yeah, so there's a whole lot of versions that go all the way back to 1.7 it seems. Wow, that's quite far. If you're playing with 1.19, again, use 1.19, which I would be using. So I'm just going to download that just to show. Ignore all this crap. I don't even know what this is, the point for this is. But you wait for this and it will come up with skip. And it takes you to here. It should download it. I don't care about McCafe. Or maybe you have to press the button. Yeah, that might help. That one seems to be oh, no, I don't care. There we go. And then we have the downloads again. So the Optifine here, you do need that. But over here, you have an extra one, Optifabric, which I'll show you how to download. You do need Optifine to work it though. So I'll delete Optifine because I don't need that. Optifabric is how Optifine works with Fabric at the same time, so it's quite important to have both. 1.19.1 is that one. And this just works like every other mod I've shown you how to download so far, all the Origins ones. This one is a little bit different though. It says 1.3, I think. 1.13, I mean. .10 by the looks of it. It doesn't matter. You need that one. In my mods folder, it has it and it works very, very well. Yeah, Optifabric 1.13.8, perfectly fine. So you just download that like you download everything else and then move it over. So that's those ones, and there's a couple of extra stuff that I use that you may want to use. You don't have to, it's completely optional. Oh, there is one more thing that hopefully the Origins people stayed and watched the rest of the video, because this here is important. You need this. So this bit here is a Pehkui or something. Pehkui fabric. I don't know. You need it to run the second Origins mod. only if you're wanting to use the second one. If you don't care about the second one, and you just want to run everything else, it's perfectly fine, you don't need this. But if you want to run the second one, the one with just the 4, you want this. You definitely need this. This one is another weird one that has the wrong name, but you just press download, move it over again into your mods folder. Yeah, so mine has this. It will say dash 1.19.2. That's okay, it doesn't matter. And I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter what version you download it in, but hopefully most people are doing this in 1.19 because it's the most recent and it's the best. Now there's a couple of other things I use. If you're wanting to record sort of thing, like an extra perspective thing, or you want to just use this to cheat to go through the ground in spectator mode while not actually going in spectator mode, you can download replay mod for 1.19. So you can download this just like every other mod. Oh, no, maybe it's not like every other mod. It's okay. But here, you just download this, and it works just like everything else. Yeah. It'll download, then you move it over. Replay mod is what I use to record my time lapses in every single one of my videos. All the ones from like the outside building perspective sort of thing. Like when I built my base in Potato Block episode 13. That was all replay mod. So that's basically all. If you want to download any other mods I use, which I'm going to be using voice chat mod in Origins and Potato Block. The other potatoes can use them if they want, and all the Origins members will be forced to download it, but they don't have to use it if they don't want to. Just an option. That one's pretty easy. You just look up voice chat fabric and it will come up. And then I also use these mini map mods. Pretty simple, just look up what it says here and that's pretty easy. So that's basically everything. So hopefully this was helpful to you guys, and yeah, hopefully that was good. So thanks for watching. Comment down below if this was helpful. Tell me if you have any problems with these so I can hopefully help you with it. And hopefully the Origins members of mine can download these. And get your skins out, guys. Skins for the Origins. We're working on something big. So enjoy the rest of your day, and like if this was helpful also, and subscribe as well, helps me out. And enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye from Butter.